Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Professor Simple Doshi, in expert for specially English and IELTS, which is being certified by through British Council. So today I would like to tell you uh, what is the importance of English and how you can improve your English. Now, guys, let's get the ball rolling and I would like to tell you where English is important. Now, in today's world, English is very important aspect wherein English is used everywhere, whether you communicate with anybody in your friend circle, whether you communicate anybody in your offices, whether you are doing your business. English is equally important. So always there is always the people do a lot of brainstorming how you should improve the English, whether I should join the class, whether I should take the advice of an expert, whether I can repeat certain vocabulary, how you can improve your English. So guys, it's as easy as pie. So you can develop your English in, if you know little bit simple techniques, how you can develop your English speaking skills. Let me just again tell you how you can develop it. You can just work on little bit of snapshots. Go to certain topics which you can elaborate more, which you know very well. You can use certain vocabulary which is being used in day to day life, like vocabulary in the sense you can start describing some people. If you want to describe the people, what you should use, how about the appearance, what you should use, then you can just select certain word power, like the usage of certain nouns, pronouns. You can work on different you can do reading practices. Actually, you can go through certain passages, certain words which is being used often. You can practice the presentation. Take a simple topic as a presentation on topic on education. Why education is important. Start preparing yourself on that particular topic and then start giving your presentation. Then you can go to different situations and then start preparing your speech into that particular situation. Then you can use certain grammar, like you can start using the tenses in day to day life, like what did you do yesterday. So when you talk about yesterday, you are always talking about the past tense. What did you do today? So if you are talking about today, then you have to use the present tense. Now what you are going to do in future, so when you are speaking about future, you need to use the future tense. So you need to learn about tenses. You need to learn about describing people, that is known as adjectives. You need to learn about adverbs that is used with the verbs. So that is an helping verb with the adverbs, so it's known as adverbs. So this all things which you need to use certain action words where the preposition is used, the formation of using in, on, behind, uh, behind, then under, all these things, where these things are being used. So you need to practice everything. You need to do practice always, and every day you make sure you do practice for 1 hour speaking in English. And if you want to speak as a pro in English, then you need to practice using certain vocabulary, certain words which are being used day to day and in your day to day life. Now, for that, every day 1 hour, you make sure you listen English. Listening, if you develop your listening skills, then obviously your writing skills would be good. If you develop your writing skills, your reading skills would be good. And if your writing, reading, and listening is good, definitely you will get a practice of speaking in English. Automatically, new words, new preposition, new conjunction word will automatically come to your tongue. and usage of synonyms and antonyms together. So all these things are very important while you are speaking in English. So do practice English. Make sure every day 1 hour you speak in English always. And when you speak in English, you make sure I can give you a certain tips of practicing English. How you can practice English? Uh, Stand in front of mirror. Take one book, a small story book for the people who are beginners. You can take a story book and start reading in English, standing in front of mirror, and that also you need to speak loudly. So if you speak loudly, obviously your tongue is gonna improve. You are going to have lot, and you get confidence when you are standing in mirror. You are looking to yourself, you are speaking, you feel that you are speaking in front of somebody. You get confidence, and this is the way you can practice speaking in English, by speaking or reading loudly. So that's how you can practice in English. So try these tips every day. Try this trick actually for 1 hour every day, and then you will definitely find some difference in your speech. And the people who are an advanced learner in English, they should definitely try speaking in English in front of the mirror. They should prepare their presentations in front of the mirror. So let me know, how do you like this particular trick? Try this trick, definitely it will work. I'll give you more insights on different type of conversation grammar in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice day. See you.